Begin laying out the first row, fitting short edges of each board at an angle and dropping them to lock them together. Gently press the edges into place until the joints click together, locking them in place. Once the row is complete, use any offcuts longer than 30 cm to start the next row. For the next rows, angle the long end of the board and push into the open seam of the previous row. Before locking down, fit the short end of the next board at an angle into the short seam of the current board and push it so the back edges align. Once the long edges of both boards are positioned in the seam of the previous row, lay the boards down to lock them in place. You may need to gently tap the joints with a rubber mallet to ensure they have locked together.